A mortgage recast is a way to lower your monthly payments without needing to refinance your entire loan. Recasting happens when you make a large lump sum payment toward your principal, and the bank recalculates your loan terms. The best part of a recast is that your interest rate stays put. You simply owe less money, so the bank lowers your payment. You pay a one-time fee to the lender. They apply your big check to the balance, and your future monthly bills drop. Refinancing is a brand new loan, while a recast is just an adjustment to your existing contract. By paying down the principal early, you drastically reduce the monthly cash flow needed to keep your home. If you are happy with your current mortgage rate, recasting is often a cheaper way to improve your monthly budget. Always check with your specific lender to see if they offer recasting programs. Thanks for watching and stay financially empowered.